Mga kaibigan, good morning. So dito tayo ngayon sa People's Park ng San Jose del Monte. Ayan, so yan yung field nila. So may event tayo ngayon dito, tawag ito yung team building ng Colegio de San Gabriel Archangel. So yun yung service natin. Alright. Ayan. Okay, alright. Hindi natin alam kung saan i-set up yung gamit, dito ba o doon sa may stage. Ayun. Inaantay pa natin. Okay, alright. Sa madaling araw ngayon, oras ngayon is 4 ng umaga. Okay, alright.
Experience in ourselves, in other people, and in anywhere else. So let's celebrate this particular program. A very memorable, colorful, and enjoyable one. But after this particular program, never forget to reflect. Because without reflection after the program, then what happens, you will just forget everything. I will just share you simple, a life of mine which is very simple to simplicity. Before I close my eyes, I always reflect. Ano ba yung brilliant values na akin?
Officially nag-start na yung program. Alright. So sport fest pala to. Okay. So yun yung nakayelo. Yan yung may-ari ng school. Ng Colegio de San Gabriel Archangel. Alright. So magkisinda sila ng torch ngayon. Ayan.
Ayan everyone. Let's hype each department for the official light torch lighting to start our fun run and team building.
Alright.
Everyone, palakpakan naman!
So nakaharap kami sa araw ngayon. Ayan yun ang araw. Tirik na tirik. Nakaharap sa amin. Ayan na. Cheering squad na sila. So bawat team may mga kanya-kanyang cheering yan. Ayan ang dami nila. Puro mga related sa medicine lahat ng course nito mga kaibigan. Yan, may mga medtech, may nurse. Yan. So nag-fun-run na sila mga kaibigan. Yan, 2 laps yan. First lap pa lang yan, first lap. Yan. Bilis lang. Ito, makulimlim na naman yan ang kalaban natin. Delikado.
Supposed to stress yourself, right? You have a heart condition.
So meron silang drama.
Kuya, please, take care of yourself.
You worry too much. Oh, Tash, your chest, it hurts.
Kuya, what's happening? Take care of your heart before it's too late. Health isn't something you can replace.
Audience, sino ang pick nyo? Left or right? Left or right? Dalawa daw, sino isa? Sino na? Ayun na, naghalo na. Okay, ready? Get set! Wala pa, saglit lang. Yan na. Hey! We have a winner!
Mga kaibigan, Rainers yan sila.
Wait lang.
So ayan
Wala
ang
sa gitna.
nangyari oh. Oh, di ba?
Wala na sa gitna. Move ng konti pa, right?
Medyo lumakas yung
Sa
ulan.
gitna. Ayan. Kuya,
Ayan
pantay ba?
yung microphone natin.
Okay na.
Pinalos.
Ready?
Speaker ko yan. Nabasa na.
When I say go, you start
Ayan.
pulling.
Wala mga bala.
When I say go, you start pulling. Ready?
Ayan yung ano natin.
One.
Kalahati lang.
Go!
Pabog-subog sa ulan. Ayan na.
Go!
Meow, 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 meow. Mga kaibigan, tapos na yung program. Yan, nag-uwi na sila. Alright, so yan, may bahaghari. And symbolize promise of God. Yan. Yan, so siya, Ma'am Ritz.